Best free poster maker app for Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The number one poster maker app is Canva. This is a very popular application which can be used in both desktop and in Android phones. Simply go to your Play Store and then search for Canva. This is the one that you would be looking for. Simply install the application and you will get bunch of templates. All you have to do is go to the template section and then search for poster. You will get several templates. You can just edit it or you can custom made it on your own. So the other poster maker in our list is Digital Poster Maker. Simply go to your Play Store and then search for Digital Poster Maker. So this is the application you would be looking for. This is an application that is designed just to make posters. As you can see, you will get several templates here as well, and from here using them you will be able to make posters. The other one is poster maker, flyer maker. So this is the one that I'm talking about. As you can see from the ad or from the documentation here, there are several poster maker templates. You can use them to make posters on your own. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.